In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a Salesforce certified professional on the Trailhead Credentials verification page. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the official Salesforce credential verification page at trailhead.salesforce.com/credentials/verification. This page is designed to help you confirm whether a certification is active and associated with a specific person. If you're following along, make sure you're using the correct official web address so you land on the proper verification tool. Once the page loads, look for the search area labeled Verify a Salesforce Certified Professional. This is the main section you'll use to run the lookup. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right field because the page may include other text and information around it. The search block is the key area where you'll enter the details needed to find a certification record. Next, enter the person's registration name or their primary email address into the search field. Use the information exactly as it was registered in the Salesforce system whenever possible. Accuracy matters here because even small differences in spelling, formatting, or the email used for certification records can affect the search results. If you're verifying your own credentials, use the same name or primary email associated with your certification account. After entering the information, click Search. The system will then process the request and check for matching certification records. Depending on your connection speed, the results may appear almost instantly or take a few seconds to load. During this step, it's best to wait for the page to fully refresh before reviewing the output. Once the results are displayed, inspect the validated certification rows shown below the profile information card. This section lists the certification accomplishments tied to the matching profile. Review the rows carefully to confirm which credentials are active and visible on the verification page. The profile card above the results helps identify that you're looking at the correct record, and the certification entries below provide the detailed confirmation. As a quick tip, if no results appear, double-check the spelling of the name or confirm that the correct primary email was used. In many cases, search issues are caused by small input errors rather than missing credentials. That's it. You've now learned how to access the Salesforce credential verification page